Yo guys, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa isang another episode ng Minecraft ng hardcore. So, namatay ako last episode. So, maglalaro ulit tayo para maano ko ulit yung kasurvivan ko para matuto ako mag-hardcore. So, samahan nyo ako. So, subscribe kayo, like, leave a comment para lagi kayo update sa akin bago pinapost. So, okay, let's start before it's night time para makakuha pa tayo ng mga resource. Tara. Okay. Let's get some wood, guys. Okay, so get this, and yan. Kuha tayo nito, and this. Ano to? Good. Okay. May coal dito, nice. Kuha mo tayo stone. Oh, may coal nga. Yo. May powder snow na. Mamamatay kagad ako dyan, bro. Teka lang. Yo, what the heck is that? May creeper ako narinig. Namari here, bro. Mamamatay pa ako dun eh. Sa chicken. Come here, boy. May pig. Come here, pig. Yo, where are you going? Okay, let's get this tree. Okay, so. Kunin ko ba yan? Hotel na ito. No! Butik-buti natakpan ko. No, bro, no. No. Where's the creeper at? No! Half a heart, guys. Nah. I'm out of here, bro. No, bro, no. Please. Waves, baboy. GG. Eh, may ship. Nice. Definitely gonna need this. Come here. Perfect. Nice. Sakto na yung ano natin. Okay. Ito pa. Now, let's get the crafting table down. And furnace. I definitely have no coal, but I'm gonna use this. Cook. Now the iron. Let's make a bed for. Okay, bed. Okay, bed. Sleeping na, bro. I'm good. Ito, tsaka ito pa, isa pang pickaxe. At isa pang axe. Nukata. At acelerada. What the frick? Okay. Yan, all goods. Para meron tayong protection sa mga ano, creeper tsaka sa skeleton zombie. Twisted food. Kailangan ko ng wood, bro. Okay, di na kita kailangan. Ito yung mga food sa baba. Hindi naman dyan, bro. Yan. Ito yung iron. Ito yung ano. Okay. Let's see. Hindi dyan, tagik. Ito. Nice. Ano pa namatay, bro? Okay. Definitely luto na. Tapos lutuin natin to. Gawa tayo pantalon. Pantalon na yan. Yan. Protection kagad tayo, guys. Okay, come on. We got our protection, no? Okay, yeah. O, yan. And, 3, 2, 1. Bang. At magagabi na nga. Okay, bye-bye. GG na. Ito may mga ano pa. Patay natin ito. Okay, nice. Tulog tagad tayo. Anong takad? Kagad kasi, bro. Okay, nice. First day. We're survive, bro. May iron dun, nice. Just keep it safe. We can drop in here. Na safe. Dito tayo maglanding. Okay. Ito, may coal. Definitely need coal. But is one, bro. What the freak? Nice. Ito yung, iron. Definitely gonna... No. Kuha na tayo kung ano. Nice. Okay, let's see. Makakita pa tayo dito. Iron. Creeper dun. Ba't puro tubig, bro? May iron dun. Iron din dito. Lahat may iron, bro. Okay. Sabog natin itong creeper. Para safe tayo. Nice. Pailawan na rin natin dito yung paligid. Para tayo ay safe. Ayoko mamatay, bro. Okay. Meron pa dito isa. Definitely gonna take this. Okay. So, wala ba itong kalaban? Okay. Oh, meron tayong protection to. Gamitin ko. Hindi. Bahala yun dyan. Mas malakas pa rin ng Mas malakas pa rin ng Iron. You know. Okay, let's take these and one more. Okay, so we have 64 and 8. Yo, again? Bro, when did the creeper... No, I ain't taking the witch. I'm out of here, bro. I'm gonna cook this iron and... Okay. Ito, dito tayo magluluto. And bye. All set. I'm gonna cook this iron. Okay. Whew. Okay. Yan, gagawa mo ito chest plate, okay? So, okay. Kailangan ko ng 8. Kailangan gawa tayo dito ng... Yan. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that, don't. Okay. Don't. Okay. Yan, okay. Gawa tayo chest plate. Para ano. Mas lalong malakas yung ating ano. Okay. Tapon na natin itong leather. Nice. Sunod ay helmet. Takpan ko na to. Baka malaglag pa ako dyan. You never know. Di pa pala gabi. Okay, last one. Wala tayong coal, bro. What the frick? Ang galing. Okay, let's make helmet. And last 4. We can do the armor. Okay, last 2. Okay, one more. And I'm full set. Okay, so we are done. We are full set armor iron. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all for today's guys. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like. So bye bye guys, see you in the next one. Peace out.